Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
हांवें परत एकदा सांगला म्हणजे नवीन कॅसिनो येवचो ना म्हणून. थँक्यू.
तो ऑलरेडी गोंयान एंटर जालाच होता.
सोद कोणी कितें काडला आमकां कितें काडला.
The High Court by an order dated 6th May stayed the casino vessel from entering and mooring in the river Mandvi till further orders and adjourned the hearing for 6th July. This means the vessel cannot enter the river Mandvi till at least 6th July, which is required for it to operate as a casino. In the same order, the High Court directed the Goa government to place on record first before the court if any decision taken for transferring the casino license from the old lower capacity vessel to the highest capacity new vessel. In other words, the transfer of the casino license or the grant of a casino license to the new vessel would only be possible if permitted by the High Court. Now the petitioner enough is enough apprehends that the respondent casino company may approach the Supreme Court to challenge this High Court interim order. Hence, enough is enough taking proactive legal action has filed a caveat before the Supreme Court.
April 30th झाले, May 7th first week झाले. Captain of Court is saying आता जायना, आता monsoon जातले, Deltin cannot shift because त्यांचे किती मोरिंगाचे काम जावना. सगळे एक्सक्यूज आमकां खूप सांगले. हांव कितें म्हणटा ते तांकां फेब्रुवारीन खबर आहले by 30th of April you had to move. So CRT फंक्शन इतके लेट कित्याक रावला ते सारू. I got complaints in writing. We have gone and spoken to him.
गोंयच्या लोकांक पिशाण काडटा कित्याक आमकां सगळे
किती लोकांक सगळे इकडे करून we will have to talk about it. If it means going to court, we will have to look at that option also.
The government has to take a firm stand and not allow the casino vessel to come in.
कोर्टान वचूंक नाशिल्ले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आज ही बोट आमच्या दोळ्या समोर हांगा मांडवीत बशिल्ली आसतली.